Do you smell down there, or are you preventing smelling down there and you want to always smell fresh down there? Keep watching this video. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be talking about a super important topic. But before I jump into the topic, I would like to note, please, if you're a guy, the only reason why you should be watching this is if you want to send this to your girlfriend, your wife, your sister. If not, please go past. This video is not for you. Now back to my girlies. I'm going to be talking about a super important topic, which is female hygiene and how to stay fresh all day. If you've ever wondered why you have an odor down there or how to prevent it, I've got you covered, and I'm going to be sharing the best tips to help you. Please note that this is a safe space. We don't judge here. We listen, we don't judge. So relax, get a pen and paper, note down tips that you need, and just enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to get more self-care content like this. Now let's dive into the video. First things first, let's normalize this. Vaginal odor is completely normal. Every woman has a natural scent. I promise you, there's no woman that smells like flowers, that smells like fruit naturally. But when it becomes unpleasant or has like this strong smell, it might be because of your hygiene, because of diet, infections, or even hormonal imbalance. Today I'm going to be breaking down the best ways that you can stay fresh all day. And after this video, if you still have that odor that is unpleasant after these tips, then you just don't want to get rid of it, because I'm going to really break it down for you to understand it. Tip number 1, use mild and unscented soaps. Your vagina washes itself. You don't need harsh soaps, you don't need scented body washes, you don't even need to do douching. This can actually disrupt your pH balance and cause odor. So stick to mild unscented soaps, and please wash the external areas, not inside, the external area which is of vulva, and use warm water. Tip number 2, wear breathable cotton underwear. Tight synthetic underwear can trap moisture and create a breeding ground for bacteria. Stick to wearing breathable cotton underwear. Also, try sleeping without underwear at night so that area can breathe. Tip number 3, stay hydrated and eat clean. What you eat affects how you smell, and no matter how cliche this sounds, please drink lots of water. Drinking lots of water helps flush out toxins. Eating fruits like pineapple, citrus, taking yogurt can also help to improve your natural scent. Also, avoid sugar and processed foods as much as you can, because those things lead to infections and bad odor down there. Tip number 4, change your underwear and pads frequently. Hygiene is key. I don't even know why I need to say this or talk more about it, because this seems like common sense, but changing your underwear daily is important. And if you are using panty liners, try as much as possible to not wear them too long. Change them as soon as possible. During your period, your pads, your tampons, please don't wear them for hours. At least 3 to 4 hours you change them, so that in order to avoid infections or smelling bad down there. Tip number 5, always wipe front to back. This is a very simple tip, but it's very important. Whenever you are wiping, please always wipe from front to back. This to prevent bacteria from moving from the back to your vaginal area. Always wipe front to back. This helps to avoid infections and keeping that area clean and fresh. Tip number 6, use feminine wipes. This is quite optional. You don't have to do it, but then if you want to go extra mile, you can do it. If you're on the go and you need to freshen up, you need a quick freshen up, pH balanced feminine wipes can help. Please let this be unscented. You can also use baby wipes too if you can't find like feminine wipes, because using scented wipes can cause irritation down there, and this is what we're avoiding. We don't want that. Tip number 7, visit your gynecologist. If after all these tips you still notice a foul, fishy, unusual smell that won't just go away, please visit your gynecologist. This might just be an infection and probably you need to see a doctor for it. Don't be shy, visit your gynecologist. So that's the end of this video. These are my top tips for staying fresh and clean down there to avoid any odor that I won't like. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Please hit the bell once you subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye.